You hear that sound? That's the sound of crispy keto pork chops, no flour. You want 2 eggs, add a little teaspoon of water, your pork rinds, some Italian seasoning, blend that all together. Then you're going to season your pork chops the way that you want, and there's the recipe there. After that, you want to go ahead and put them in a pan, flip them over, go ahead and lay them on a cooling rack, because that's going to be the best way to keep them crispy. And voila, you got crispy keto pork chops. Thank me later. Just in case you missed it, here's a clip of our garlic parm wings in our fun Ketovore Carnivore grocery haul. Your air fryer for 15 minutes at 390. Have your garlic powder, which is the hack because you don't have to use garlic. You want to have a tablespoon and a half of that. Then dump that over your wings. Get in there with them tools that God gave you. We got you with new wing flavors every weekend. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss our honey lemon pepper wings coming up next. This is pig intestines. Sorry if that grossed some of you guys out. Sorry. It's elk sausage that's going to be in the picture at the end of the video. And your fat burning engine is going to be red. You got crispy keto pork chops. Thank me later.